Yo, what's up guys? So I finally did it. I pulled the trigger on the new bike. As you can tell, I got a Ninja ZX10R 1000 cc's, my boy. Got it in this beautiful matte silver. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Obviously I didn't end up getting the ZX10R. Got something with a little bit more ponies to it. But boy oh boy am I happy. Boy oh boy am I happy. What's this? I never noticed this. Interesting. It's like a little sleeve. We got an M4 slip-on. This thing is loud as hell. Brembo brakes, steering dampener. Beautiful bike. I am in love. It's a little dirty. Let's start this bad boy up. Cold start for you guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, my boy. It's a 2018, very low miles. I just hit like 2,000 miles with it the other day. I have been riding it a little bit, getting used to the seating and stuff like that. It doesn't help that I've been going really hard at the gym lately, so my entire body is sore. Like, to get onto the bike, I can't even just throw a leg over and sit on it. I have to get on the peg and then throw a leg over it because my legs are shot. My back is sore, and you know this bike is aggressive. The ergonomics are aggressive, so I'm getting used to it. But look at her, guys. The bike shoots flames too, which is crazy. Insert the clip. Crazy, right? That's sick. There is literally nothing like riding a motorcycle. It is hot as hell today, so excuse my breathing if I sound like fucking Darth Vader. But it's hot. It's like 88 degrees right now. I think it's going up to 90. But I'm gonna take you guys to the gym with me, talk a little bit about the bike. I swear, like, when I first have to get on the bike, I have to do like a little stretch. So when I first got the bike, I don't know if you guys can see. So I don't know if you guys can see, but they put the power mode in medium for me, because when I went to go pick the bike up, it started to drizzle a little. So they put it in medium and they put full traction on. I haven't had really a chance or the opportunity to, you know, play with it and figure out how to change these settings and stuff like that, but I will. And when I first picked the bike up, I stalled like, I don't know, 3 times. Fucking quick shifter is great. Damn, I love that quick shifter. Pop. Look at my little chubby stomach. Oh shit, the light is green. Oh fuck. My god, this bike is fucking amazing. This bike just wants to freaking literally lean over. It's great. The handling is superb. Cause how can you not? I still have the CF Moto. It's just not at my house. It's actually at the shop where I bought this bike. I left it there. I'm gonna privately sell it. Or I might keep it. Nah, I'm gonna probably sell it. So I ended up getting this bike instead of the 6R because of that. No, I'm kidding. So I actually ended up getting it because for the price, for the price that I would have paid for the 6R of this year or last year's model. For that price, I ended up getting this. Very low miles, like I said. Just hit 2,000 the other day. Steering dampener. Man, it was a steal. It was a steal. Sounds great, looks great. It was, why not? Sway, how do you jump from a two-cylinder 700 to a 4-cylinder 1000? I'm just sick in the head. I'm a sick fuck. I like how that says shitbox edition on the Honda del Sol. I think I saw this car yesterday actually here. Oh my god, I love this bike. And to think it's just a medium power. My previous bike, the CF Moto, topped out I think at 125 miles per hour. This bike easily, I don't even know. I wouldn't be surprised if it reaches 200 miles per hour. But when I hopped on the LIE for the first time on the bike and I was riding around free-spirited, I didn't even realize that I was doing fucking 145 miles per hour. Literally like that. In the blink of an eye. Look at, oh my god, the bike just, it's so flickable. Hey, they asked for it. I can't deny the kids what they want. Shit. They want a show, give them a fucking show. God damn it, that's what we got bikes for. My ass is showing. I can feel the wind just smacking my ass right now. Pause. Hey yo.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Hey yo, what did he say? Literally, it feels kind of weird. It gets me so high. Wally World. It's a nice sunny day to be a squid. Anyways, back to what I was talking about. That's the rewind noise. I am a pretty chubby dude, so there's that. Gotta rev them so they can't see me, but they can hear me. Fuck all that. It's clean though. That shit is super clean. Alright guys, we're here. Made it safe and sound. Let's get this workout in, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Yo, what's up everybody? Yeah, had an amazing workout. Shout out to Onyx. Reflection check. Oh, are they having the car show today? Ooh, I might stop by there. Let's go check out this car show. Oh, I can't even get in through here. Oh, fuck. I could probably smoke any of these cars. I could smoke them all. Man, I love muscle cars. See a Fox body. I don't need nobody hitting my baby. Alright, I'll be back with you guys in a bit. And we're live. Love that orange. Sick. GT 500. Yes, sir. Shelby. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I used to actually have a GT 350 when I lived in Florida. It was a gray with a solid black top. It was nice. Super loud. Beautiful. Ooh. Man, I love muscle cars. You guys have no idea. Look at that. That's beautiful. Fox body. Hell yeah. Nice little beautiful. Shelby over here too. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Ooh. Look at this. Classic. 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 This reminds me of like little Hot Wheels. Oh, he's got a gremlin. Beautiful. Literally like a Hot Wheel. Telling you. That's sick. Just suck up all that air. Pause. Sheesh. Look at this beauty. Golly. Got the matching chair. Yeah. And look at those tires. Golly. Those are some thick boys.
Damn, boy, he's thick.
I love these retro cars. Oh my god. Wow, this is so cool. I just randomly bumped into a little car show, car meet thing. That's great. 1960 Ranchero. Hey, with a Porsche. Galaxy 500. Oh, they restored the interior too. Look at those seats. Hell yeah. Beautiful. 392 Charlie. I had a 392 Charger. I used to call it baby B5 because it was like a B5 blue, which is like that kind of like baby bluish color. It wasn't wide body though, but I love the wide bodies. Can't go wrong with the wide bodies. Old school Charger. Wow. It's got Chucky wearing the Trump hat. Hell yeah. This car makes me want to call my uncle. Every time I see old school Cadillacs, makes me just want to call up my uncle. It's beautiful. The white leather, nice. Look at those rims. Ooh, GTO. I remember the first time I ever seen the GTO was in what's the name of that Vin Diesel movie? Double X? Triple X? No, definitely not Triple X. I think it's Double X or something like that. And I've always been a fan of the GTOs ever since. Porsche. Woo wee. The engine in the back, beautiful. The Porsche GT2 RS is one of my dream cars. I'll even settle for a GT3 RS, but a GT2 RS, that's at the top of the list. Beautiful. Is that an Eclipse? No, I don't think it's an Eclipse. It's probably what is it, GT3000? Yeah, if it comes twin turbo, I think it comes like that. Pretty sure it's a 3000 something. I forgot what it is, but it's nice with the carbon fiber. I like it. Carbon fiber on the side too. Oh, no way. That's so crazy. Dukes of Hazzard. General Lee, that's sick. If you guys don't know about Dukes of Hazzard, oh god, get up on it. This is beautiful too. That was cool. Nice little random thing that I bumped into. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was a little nervous that I wasn't gonna have any content for you guys today. Let's get on this highway, show you what this bike's got on medium power mode, get home and eat because I'm starving. Let's go. Ready? These fucking cops are crazy. God, this bike is retarded. God, and that's on medium power mode. And I don't think I pulled the throttle all the way back. God, those cops are just, I love them. That's insane. That was insane. Just to pull, if I had downshifted and did that, oh my god. Wow. 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 I am so gonna lose my license. I'm gonna lose my license on this bike. I am gonna lose my license on this bike. Nah, let me stop. I'm just talking shit. Just because you have a fast bike does not mean that you always have to ride it fast. Seriously. Safety first. Safety first. Just because you see other people on Instagram and on YouTube doing all crazy shit on their bikes doesn't mean you have to follow in their footsteps. About to put a knee down, my boy. Dragging knee. I gotta be careful here. What are you doing? You know, people say there's no point in having a leader bike out in the streets because you're not going to be able to use all of its power and yada yada yada. And that, honestly, I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm cool with that because I have power throughout the entire rev range. I have power throughout the entire rev range, where if I'm in a situation in 5th gear or 6th gear, I just hit the throttle and I'm gone. Like, it doesn't matter what gear I'm in, I'm gone. And I do plan on taking it to a track when I'm experienced on the track, and oh my god, I can't wait to show you guys. Guys, join me on this journey. And if you're on the fence about owning a bike, do yourself a favor and go get a bike. Take the MSF course. Take the MSF course. Watch Moto Jitsu videos, Dan the Fireman videos. Watch Yami Noob videos. I don't even know who else. Just, and you'll be good. Honestly. Anyways, I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, give me a thumbs up. Oh, ouch, that hurt my nuts. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share this video, drop a comment. Let me know what type of content you guys would like to see. If there's anything you guys want me to talk about. I've been through a lot of shit, so trust me. We can talk about some shit. We can talk about gangster shit. We can talk about romantic shit. We could talk about any type of shit. I'm with it if you're with it. But yeah, guys, peace.